Hey, what's up guys, I am Dak. Welcome to our territory. The Galaxy Note 20 could miss out of the space zoom camera and its 100x zoom that features so heavily in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. But the Note 20 is still expected a feature, a 108 megapixel main sensor that improves upon the autofocus issues that some Ultra owners experience. Yesterday, leaked a camera array modules for the Galaxy Note 20 revealed some key details about the phone's photo prowess. The Galaxy Note 20, assuming there is only one, will have what looks to be a periscope telephoto lens on its back. According to this leak, the leaked camera array also appears to roll with a pair of at least two other cameras, LED flash, one microphone holes, and a sensor that will likely allow for quicker and more accurate focus that was delivered in the Galaxy Note 20. According to IC News, the Twitter leaker, he says that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 might outget the impressive 100x space zoom camera found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, meaning it could lag behind Samsung's latest flagship in terms of photography. The IC News also tweets that the Samsung next flagship phone won't be borrowing from the S20 Ultra rear camera array. While the tip's wording is a little ambiguous, the simplest explanation is that Samsung will use a different camera in the place of a space zoom sensor. A leak showing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 potential design has been flagged by a serial tech tipster IC News, with the design render showing how the next Galaxy flagship phone could sport a boxy rear camera pump. These images appear to be the rough cut renders for the phone case maker to get an idea of the upcoming phone's design so they can have cases ready for it when it launches. IC News pointed out of these images, which come courtesy of Twitter user Hamlasker, are just a rough design preview for what the Galaxy Note 20 might look like. So it is worth taking these images with a grandiose pinch of salt, particularly as we highly doubt that the Galaxy Note 20 will have a prominent side bezel as seen in these renders. Such a design would to be stepped back from the nearly bezel-less. However, these design renders once again reinforce the idea of the Galaxy Note 20 will use a punch-hole selfie camera cut out much like the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy S20. We don't expect the display to be that different from the Galaxy Note 20 predecessor in terms of a design, but it expected to come with the 120Hz refresh rate display much like the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In fact, another leak from IC News said that the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will borrow the Galaxy S20 Ultra's 108 megapixel camera and add a new sensor for improved focus, so it is very possible the Note 20 Plus could be the one of the best camera phone yet. The sensor is likely a ladder or TOF, time of flight sensor that will allow the device to focus quicker and use advanced augmented reality features with ease. The Galaxy Note 20 was tipped to dump a 100x zoom feature present in the Galaxy S20 series and will bring the series' successful 108 megapixel HM1 camera sensor. It is likely that the Galaxy Note 20 will come in the two sizes, with at least one bringing 6.9-inch display with 3200 multiplied by 1440 pixel resolution. Another version of a Galaxy Note 20 will likely have a 6.4-inch display if the rumors prove accurate, allowing the series of appear of a Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Plus this September. Yeah, the base model was tipped to have a 12GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The device will launch with whatever newest in Android at the time, more than likely Android 10 and Samsung One User Interface 2.x. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will likely be revealed at the same time as the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. The reveal date is tipped to the August of 2020 for the event only. The release date for the Galaxy Note 20 devices and the Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to be the late August or early September 2020. Let me know down the comments below. What's your thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20? Thank you for watching. See you next time.